अब स्टूडेंट्स आज 90 नंबर कर रहे हैं ISIMSQE के बाद क्यूमुलेटिव डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन दिया हुआ है आपके सामने एक स्टैंडर्ड नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन satisfies this conditions, ये सारे दिए हुए हैं. The manufacturer doesn't know the mean and the standard deviation of the diameters of this thing. It rejects 8% bearing as too small, less than 1.8. 5% bearings are too large, greater than 2.4. What is the one of them is correct? So step 1, z scores को हम लोग को देखना है and cumulative density function CDF के हिसाब से calculate करना है. So f of 1.4 is 0.92 is given. So this is z equal to 1.4 के हिसाब से and this is z equal to 0.14. Z equal to minus 0.2 and this is z equal to minus 1.6. Step 2, convert the diameter values of z scores into the formula. Z equal to formula क्या है? X minus mu by SD. ठीक है. So for 1.8, so f of z equal to 0.08. That is z equal to minus 1.41 from the standard normal distribution table. And for 2.4 में यही होगा. So so z equal to 1.64 again table. So z equal to 1.8 minus mu divided by this is minus 1.41. Another z is 2.4 minus mu by this equal to 1.64. So solving these two equations we get two values, mu equal to 2.08 and sigma equal to 0.25, and they have asked for this. So answer is C.